Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A55 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the keyboard, for example in the messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen, like that, and all we have to do is to tap on this settings icon in the upper bar, or on the upper bar. Now let's tap on languages and types, and tap on Manage Input Languages. And as you can see, here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got plenty of them. The list is divided into two different sections. Right here, the languages with this switcher are kind of pre-installed, so we can simply turn them on. And the second section with the languages with this download icon, which means that they are available. However, you have to download them just by tapping on this icon. So that's it, and all we have to do is to find the language we would like to apply and tap on the switcher. So let me choose maybe this one. Let's apply this Tamil language, and maybe English, because we had Polish. So let's find the English. As you can see, we've got 3 different languages added. Now we can go back, and of course they will appear in this kind of shortcut list. Before I'll show you how to remove the languages, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with more than one language added. As you can see here, we've got something like language switching method. So let's tap on it. And as you can see, we've got 3 different options. So the language key, which is currently applied, spacebar swipe, and both of them. And I will choose both in order to show you how, of course, they work. So now we can go back to the keyboard. And now the first thing is the spacebar. We've got the name of the language we're currently using on it. So we can see that right now we've got the Polish keyboard. After tapping on the globe icon, which is a language key, we can change it to this Tamil, I believe. I hope I remember properly. And we can change it also to English just by swiping on the spacebar. So as you can see, oh yeah, here we've got English. So as you can see, this is how we can change the languages here on the keyboard. So now let me show you how to remove the language. So let's enter the settings, tap on the languages and types again, and tap on Manage Input Languages, because all you have to do is to simply turn it off, kind of just by tapping on the switcher. So let me remove Polish and the Tamil, let me leave English. Let's go back. We've got only English on this list. And after getting back to the keyboard, you can see that we do not have the globe icon, and the spacebar does not work. We cannot swipe on it, which means that we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.